In this short video from the Carleton University Library, I will demonstrate how to access and find course materials in Teams for FYSM 1001. The handouts for our class activities are contained in folders in our Teams space for this course. Before you can access this space, you need to install the Carleton University Licensed Teams application. The link to the instructions for installing this application is found in the syllabus section of the course. In our course, click on the syllabus module, and then the link to Microsoft Teams setup and use in class. Here are the instructions for accessing the application as a Carleton University student. Once you've installed Teams, go to the right-hand navigation in the course, scroll down the page, and click on the link underneath the Teams icon. You will be prompted to open Microsoft Teams. Now you are in the space for our course FYSM 1001. In the top navigation, click on the Files link. There are folders for each of the 5 Reading Club groups. To find the handouts for your group, click on the appropriate group. For example, if you're in Group 1, click on Group 1 Reading Club. The handouts are organized by week. Click on the appropriate week. For example, Week 1. Here are the handouts organized by course, module, week, and handout number. You can open a handout. This allows you to work collaboratively in your reading club group on the document. And to download a copy, go to File in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Scroll down to Save As, and then download a copy. This is the end of this video.